I'm going to that this screen recording can get you pretty close to where you need to be to get your assignments published and unpublished. So what I was told, if you go up to courses, manage courses, it gives me an entire list of all of the courses. So you can choose your course within if this is what pops up, but you might already have your course. So I'm going to go ahead and click into Riley's writing course. If you go to more and click customize, you're going to modify this course. So when you go in to modify your course, it gives you everything that's green is what has already been assigned to your students. So what you can do is you can click this arrow and it gives you each of the pieces. If you'd like to assign something, you can actually click on it. I'm not going to because it will mess up this course. So you can click on it and it will actually assign. If you wish to unpublish for the students not to do that portion, you can unclick. And then when you're all finished, you simply have to publish this course, and it's going to give you 3 options, I believe, and you want to publish it now. You don't want to wait. You want to publish the course now. So you can go through and you can unclick, and it will remove it from the dashboard for your student. So if you only wanted your students to see that one listing, you would need to go in and unclick everything that you don't want them to see. And then as you go through the course, add in the materials that you want them to do. Hope this is helpful in getting you the desired look of Edgenuity for the kids.